G'day guys, we've been in this house for 18 months and it was time to organise our deck. So we've given it a really good clean and set it all up, and we love using it. So I thought I'd show you what we've done. This is our before view of the deck. It had a dusty barbecue, dusty Merbau decking and an old barbecue herbs pot where the herbs had well and truly died and there was just one succulent growing. So first off, Dave cleaned the area and he used a broom to just sweep off the dust. We wanted to make the deck a functional meals area as it comes straight off the kitchen, and it is also so well protected because it has brick walls on either end. Then he removed the barbecue and put that inside in the kitchen. He used soap and water to give it a really good clean and make sure the dust and bird poo was off the decking. After that had dried, he used Cabolt's deck cleaner to give it a really deep clean, and he applied this with a rag. Underneath was actually a garden shed, so we didn't want to use any high pressure water or anything like that. So after that had dried, Dave applied Cabolt's Aqua Deck. First he used a paintbrush to apply it to the edges so it gave it a nice clean finish, and then for the rest of the deck he used the oil applicator and left it to dry. Once it's dried, you can see the colours really restored to that Merbau decking. So we gave the barbecue a really good wipe and then we put that back on the deck. Now we bought a timber table with 2 bench seats on eBay, but the seller cancelled. So we had to search around for another inexpensive seats for the area. We ended up finding this Mimosa 3-piece bench seat with cushions as well and a glass tabletop for $299 at Bunnings. And we just gave them a call and they delivered it later that day. We all helped to put the table and bench seats together. Dave did do most of it. I must say my main contribution was putting a garbage bag on the back of a chair so we cleaned as we went. So at the end there was no big cleanup and it was much safer with having our daughter around and all that plastic. Once the table was set up, we added a little bit of greenery. We had one yucca plant out in the backyard, so we brought that up onto the deck and just put it on a dolly that we bought from Aldi. It was a heavy duty one on wheels. Great having it on wheels. It's easy to move around depending on the number of guests we have or toys and activities that our daughter is playing with. I also did a couple of DIYs to personalise the area. I did a succulent in a hippo, which stays on the table outside, as well as some clay marble coasters and a citronella candle to keep those pesky mosquitoes away. So if you'd like to see those 3 DIYs, I'll leave a link for them in the description box below. And just to recap, here's the before and here's the after. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you got some ideas for your deck. Let me know if there's something you think I'm missing and I should add. Until next time, take care. Bye.